High upon a skeletal oak, Kiro the sparrow perched on a bare branch, his eyes fixed on a humble pile of 3 twigs. This was the beginning of a dream. With a determined tilt of his head, he pushed a 4th twig into the heap with his beak. It wobbled, defying him, and fell. He nudged it back with frantic precision, but it slipped again, tumbling toward the forest floor. Kiro did not fly away in frustration. Instead, he hopped to the ground, searching for a solution. He grabbed a soft, damp leaf and wedged it carefully between the twigs to create a stable base. Step by step, the foundation took hold. The work continued under the vast sky. Kiro flew to the sun-drenched meadow, circling twice as he scanned the grass for treasures. He spotted a stray feather, white and soft, and snatched it up. Back at the oak tree, he wove the feather into the structure with the skill of a master craftsman. Yet, the pile remained small, a mere speck against the thick, ancient bark of the oak. Days turned into a rhythmic cycle. Kiro returned every single morning with a single item, a bit of string, a dried blade of grass, or a tiny stick. He was building a future. Then the sky turned a bruised purple. A heavy rainstorm lashed the valley, turning the gentle breeze into a howling gale. Kiro huddled under a large, trembling leaf, his heart racing as he watched his life's work. A sudden gust of wind, sharp and cruel, knocked 2 twigs loose. They vanished into the grey curtain of rain. He watched, helpless, as the water threatened to wash everything away. But as the clouds finally cleared and the thunder faded to a distant echo, Kiro did not mourn. He flew out immediately to retrieve his lost pieces. He found the twigs buried in the cold mud, cleaned them with his beak, and returned to his spot. Persistence was his only weapon. The storm had taught him a lesson. He spent the entire afternoon anchoring the structure with sticky sap gathered from a nearby pine tree. He pressed clusters of soft moss into every gap, sealing out the wind. As the season turned from a vibrant green to a shimmering gold, the structure underwent a transformation. It was no longer just a pile of debris. It was a sturdy, rounded nest cradling the branch like a precious jewel. The oak tree now held a masterpiece of engineering, born from the patience of a creature no larger than a human hand. Kiro could feel the change in the air. Kiro brought one last piece, a soft tuft of dandelion fluff, and lined the center of his home. He settled into the hollow, feeling his chest rise and fall in the quiet evening. He looked down at the vast valley below, then back at the woven walls that protected him. He tucked his head under his wing, feeling the solid, unwavering structure beneath his feet. The nest held firm against the evening breeze, a testament to every morning spent searching and every twig saved from the mud. Kiro closed his eyes and drifted into a deep sleep, knowing the true power of staying the course.